Hello everyone, 0635 here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Big Mac robot. This is from the 80s, I think, and it was made for me. It's from McDonald's. It runs on 2 AAA batteries. No, I'm kidding. This is a Big Mac's robot, a 97% 3D printed robot that this guy right here made. I don't know where he came from, but yeah, that's Ivan. If no one knew, if no one has seen his videos and doesn't know that he's here, well, yeah, he's here. He made this for me a while back, and the only things it needed was a switch, an A-tooth gear, and some O-rings, so it has traction. And this thing is pretty cool. It has a try me function. It can hold stuff for you. And best of all, it locks. So yeah, this is a pretty neat one-of-a-kind robot that has been added to my collection thanks to Ivan. Hope you guys enjoyed the small review.
Wait. You forgot to thank someone.
Thank you, Ivan, for making me this.
Not me!
Oh,
Who the fuck designed this piece of shit?
the guy who owns the robot hut,
How was his name?
John Riggs.
Riggs. So tell thanks to him. Oh, praise the Lord. John Rigg, owner of the robot hut.
Well, he did for me, so hope you guys enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. See you soon.